Hey everyone, how's it going today? So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw another Titan, and this one is Nakika from the Godzilla Dominion graphic novel. Now, if you guys haven't checked out this graphic novel, it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of really cool creatures in it and some really cool poses, and I'm hoping to use this a lot more in my videos to help me draw some new characters and different battle scenes. But check it out if you guys haven't, and I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Nakika, we're going to begin with the eyes. So to begin, we're going to start by making a little circle right here for one eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to make another circle right over here for the other eye. Next, we're going to make two little lines right here. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and then come down on each side. And we're going to make another one on each side here. We're going to make one more, it's going to go up and then it's going to come down. Same thing here, we're going to go up and then come down. And we're going to make some little lines right underneath here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come around. We're going to make a little line that's going to come up. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then up here. Another one we're going to go over and then up. Then we'll make some little lines inside of here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out and in, another one here, and then one more here. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go out and in, and then out and then in. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. Another one here is going to go up and then come down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to go down, and then come to here. Another one here, we're going to go up, we're going to go down, and then come straight down. Then starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out and in. Another one here, we're going to go out and in. Now I want to add some of the tentacles. So let's start here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and then up. And we'll do the same thing over here on this side. We're going to go out, we're going to come in, down, and then up a little bit. We'll make a little point on the end, and we're just going to bring this back. And I'm not trying to make this like really smooth or anything. I'm going to leave a lot of like bumpy lines in here, just to give it a little bit more texture, make it look a little bit more realistic. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in on each side. We'll make a little line that's going to come down on each side here. Make another little line that goes in with one here. Now starting up here, I'm going to draw another long line that's going to come out. It's going to go around here and then down. We'll make this go up and then in so it kind of comes to like a little point. And then we're just going to bring this all the way back here. Draw another line that's going to come down. It'll jump over this tentacle, and it's going to go out to here. We'll make another, almost kind of like an arrow head at the end. And then we're just going to bring this all the way back up here. We'll start the other tentacles over here. We'll do kind of about the same thing. We're just going to come down. And we're going to go down to here. We're going to go up and then in. And we're just going to bring it up to here. Right here we're going to go down. We're going to jump over. We're going to go out, in, and then we're just going to come to about here. We'll make that little arrowhead shape. And then we're just going to redraw that same shape all the way up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. It's going to have a little bump, and then it's going to come back up for the body. I'm going to add a couple more little curved lines in here. And then a long kind of broken line that comes down. I'm going to add a couple more little lines right here. And then a couple more little lines here and here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come out. It's going to jump around these tentacles. We're going to come around here and add a point. Then we're just going to bring this back to here. We'll do that same thing here. We're going to come down, make a little curved line and then in. Go down, and we're going to come out down to a point and then back, and then just bring it up here. Starting out here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come out to a point, and we're going to bring it back. Same thing here, we're going to come out to a point, and then we're just going to bring it back. So now here's our basic shape of Nakika. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So there's a lot of suction cups at the end, and we're not going to put all those in there, but what I'm going to do is draw some lines that are just going to go right down the kind of middle of some of these tentacles, just like this. And then these different areas, this is just going to show where like the underside of these tentacles are. So we're just going to make these kind of come all the way down. We'll start with one here right along that arrowhead, and we'll show like a lot of tentacles on this side, or a lot of those little suction cups. And then something like over here, we don't have to show quite as many. Then I'm going to add some little details kind of up on the face here. Just some little extra lines kind of popping out of different spots. He does have a lot of detail on here, and I'm trying to get as much as I can inside of here. Now I'm going to make just some kind of long broken lines coming down the tentacles here. And this is just going to kind of help add a little bit of detail. And I'm going to add some more kind of coming around here on these arrowheads. You can just kind of add as many little lines as you want to. I like to add some where these kind of curves are. And we're just going to kind of put these all over. On some of these tentacles, you can add extra little like points on there that kind of look like little shark fins for some little details. And then you can go and kind of put like some little bumps and stuff on different parts here just to show where like the suction cups would be. I'm not going to do all of it just because it would be a lot, but when we color and everything, if you want to, you can add some of these extra little bumps and details, because there are a lot of little details on here, and if we try to add in every single one of these, this video would probably be over 2 hours. So I'm just going to add some little details on here just to kind of help add a little bit of texture kind of show where the underside of the tentacles are and just give it a little bit of detail. So I'm just going to kind of add these in some little random spots. And then you just kind of come in here and add some more little broken lines everywhere. You really can't add too many lines in this picture with him because he has so many details on him. So it's really kind of up to you on how you want to add it in the details. I want to put some more little lines over here. You know, this Nakika is definitely one of the stranger looking of the Titans, so he just has a lot of different details and designs. So you can really kind of make it your own and add your own little details and everything. And there you go. There is your drawing of Nakika. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.